Hello friends, how are you all?
Welcome to Childrenfo.
Today we will learn fruit names. Yay!
A for
Apple,
apple.
apple,
A for
apricot,
apricot.
apricot. A for
Avocado,
avocado,
avocado.
B for
Banana,
banana,
banana. B for
blueberry,
blueberry,
blueberry.
B for
Blackberry,
blackberry,
blackberry.
C for
Cranberry,
cranberry,
cranberry.
C for
Cherry,
cherry,
cherry.
C for
Carambola,
carambola,
carambola.
D for
Dates,
dates,
dates.
D for
Dragon fruit,
dragon fruit,
dragon fruit.
F for
Figs,
figs,
figs.
G for
Grapes,
grapes,
grapes.
G for
Gooseberry,
gooseberry,
gooseberry.
G for
Guava,
guava,
guava.
J for
Java plum,
java plum,
Java plum.
J for
Jackfruit,
jackfruit,
jackfruit.
K for
Kiwi,
kiwi,
Kiwi.
L for
Lychee.
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 L for
Lemon.
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 M for
Mango.
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 M for
Melon.
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 O for
Orange.
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 P for
Papaya.
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 P for
Pineapple.
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 P for
Plum.
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 Q for
Quince.
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 S for
Strawberry.
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 T for
Tamarind.
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 W for
Watermelon.
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 Now friends, are you ready for quiz?
Yes.
Let's start. Can you name this fruit?
Yes. This is an apple.
Good. Now, what about this fruit? Can you name it?
Yes. This is a banana.
That's great. What is the name of this red color fruit?
This is cherry.
Well done again. Kids, do you remember this fruit?
Yes. This is D for dates.
Wow, well done. And what is inside this plate?
These are grapes.
Well done. What is the name of this fruit?
This is kiwi.
So great.
Do you know this fruit?
Yes, I know. It is mango.
Great.
Now it's your turn. Can you name this fruit?
Yes. This is Orange.
That's great. Well done, students. Now let's have a quick recap. Apple,
Avocado.
apricot, blackberry,
Banana.
blueberry, cranberry,
Carambola.
cherry, dates,
Dragon fruit. Gooseberry.
guava, figs, lemon,
Orange.
kiwi, strawberry, watermelon, melon, pineapple,
Mango.
jackfruit.
Java plum.
Hopefully you have learned fruit names.
Subscribe our YouTube channel for more informational videos.